In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe payments. 5 minutes, we'll walk through creating a simple checkout using Stripe payment links, from signing in to sharing a ready-to-use link with your customers. This is perfect if you want to start collecting payments without writing any code. First, head to stripe.com. On the top right, click Sign In to open the dashboard login page. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In again. If you're prompted for verification, complete that to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard home, which gives you a quick overview of your account. If you see a banner indicating test mode, that's great for trying things out safely before going live. Next, navigate to Payments in the sidebar and choose Payment Links. Payment Links lets you create a hosted checkout page for a product in just a few clicks. Click to create a new payment link, then add your product. Give it a clear name and description, and set the price and currency. You can choose whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, depending on what you're selling. Now, select the options that make sense for your offer. For example, you can allow customers to choose quantity, enable tax calculation if you've set up tax settings, or add a free trial for subscriptions. Keep the product details accurate and concise so customers understand exactly what they're buying. Open advanced options to fine-tune the checkout experience. Here you can decide which customer details to collect, like email, shipping address, or billing address, and whether to require a phone number. You can also control things like promotional codes, invoice options, and default language or localization. Adjust only what you need. Simple is often best. In the preview on the right, click Pay to simulate the checkout flow and see how your customers will experience it. This doesn't charge anything in preview. It just shows the flow so you can confirm everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a unique payment link instantly. Open the new payment link page to view it in full. From here, you can copy the link, share it via email, drop it into a chat, or add it to your website or social posts. If you're in test mode, try the link in a private browser window to confirm it loads as expected. When you're ready to start accepting real payments, switch to live mode and repeat the same steps. That's it, a clean professional checkout in minutes, no coding required.